How to sign up to Experian account. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how you can easily create a new Experian account. So the first thing you can do is tap on the first link that you see here after searching for Experian login. Tap on Experian.com. Once you do that, you will head directly over to the sign up page. So if you already have an account, tap on the sign in button, and if you are new, tap on sign up for free. Once you do so, you'll be taken over to the registration page. Now, first thing you have to do is provide the last 4 digits of your social security number and your US mobile number. Then tap on Get Started. You'll be asked to enter some other details as well. Just fill them out and follow the on-screen instructions. And finally, you're going to have to create a username and password for your account. After doing so, they'll send you a verification code on your mobile number or your email, and then you can just verify your account, and that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.